Fixboard, a new concept of access panel. Fixboard is a designer access panel that combines unique ease of installation with exceptional performance. Fixboard differs from the revolutionary DORIKA access panel line in that it is equipped with a door made entirely of MDF, which is a sturdier and more refined material than traditional hydro plasterboard. Unlike the standard plasterboard door of the DORIKA, where the inner aluminum frame serves as a housing for the angle brackets in the fixboard, these are fixed directly by screws to the MDF panel, thus allowing the door to open. Thanks to this technology, the access panel has no perimeter light in the opening door, between panel and inner frame. So there is no critical junction point between plasterboard and aluminum, where micro cracks can occur in the grouting. The elegant MDF door allows to considerably speed up the installation time, as it does not require plastering and can therefore proceed directly with painting. Being part of the DORIKA range, it retains its key benefits: convenient touch latch opening devices, sturdy aluminum outer frame, thicker and stronger than the market average, door interchangeability guaranteed for life, extensive customization. On request, fixboard access panels can be made up to the size 60 by 80 centimeters. For any technical and aesthetic customization requirements, the Akifix offices and R&D department remain at your complete disposal.